My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Volkswagen California Ocean Camper. This vehicle has done just over 10,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of the kitchen area, which is complete with a sink, cooker and fridge. We also have our foldable table, which provides us with a dining area. Moving on to our first double bed. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into 2 belted seats, making this camper 4 belts, 4 berth. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can access the radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. To the right, we have eject, Apple and Android CarPlay, as well as MirrorLink, sound and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. And finally, if we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of the pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.